What if I told you that the car with the cheaper sticker price could actually cost you more money? Most Americans focus on the price they pay at the dealership, but that's only part of the story. The real cost comes after you drive away. Let's compare a typical gas car and an electric vehicle. A gas-powered car might cost less up front, but you'll be paying for gasoline, oil changes, engine maintenance, transmission service, and more. An electric vehicle usually costs more at first, but electricity is often cheaper than gasoline, and EVs have fewer moving parts. That means no oil changes and generally less maintenance. However, there's a catch. Battery replacement can be expensive if it happens outside the warranty period. And charging isn't always convenient for everyone. If you drive long distances every day, a gas or hybrid vehicle may still make more sense. But if your daily commute is short and you can charge at home, an EV could save you thousands of dollars over time. So which one wins? The answer depends on how you drive, where you live, and how long you keep your vehicle. Would you choose a gas car, a hybrid, or an electric vehicle? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Drive America for more car facts, reviews, and automotive insights.